if you have a situation where you're learning Gemara and you get to the wrong conclusion because you don't have a rabbi that's overseeing you. You don't have a rabbi overseeing you. You're just arrogant. You think that you can get into to your own conclusion. Gemara Masechet Yomah, page 90 says, if you don't have a rabbi that's overseeing you, Hashem hates you. You don't have a rabbi overseeing you, God hates you. Why does he hate you? Because you could live 70 years being a kofel without even knowing it. Why? Because you have too much ga'ava to check yourself. So he says, now, if you arrive at the wrong conclusion, you continue building on it. You arrive that this is kosher. In reality, it's not kosher. It's not kosher. But you keep not only eating it, you recommend it to the whole neighborhood. No, go ahead, eat. You start selling it. You start marketing it. You start giving it to the world. You put it on Facebook. You put it on Google. You're selling it. It's not kosher bichlal. But you arrive at the wrong conclusion. That's what happens. Art Scroll gives you the right basic conclusion. Basic conclusion. Pshat. That's the chumtin. Now, why is it chumtin? Because if you're getting the pshat and you're getting to the correct way, it's the same price, it's the same thing, it's the same product, it's still kosher. You still sell it as the same thing. But if it's without it, you're risking losing the whole thing. You risk arriving at the wrong conclusion. Why would you arrive at the wrong conclusion? Because of what the Gemara was talking about in the very same chidush I just gave you. No yirat shamayim. The same Gemara that explained to you what Art Scroll is the same Gemara that told you, no yirat shamayim, you got nothing.